In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in Google Docs. Saving your work efficiently is crucial, especially when working with important documents or collaborative projects. So, let's get started with understanding how saving works in Google Docs and ensuring your documents are both secure and accessible. When you type in Google Docs while connected to the internet, your changes are automatically saved to the cloud. This feature is incredibly convenient, as it means you don't have to remember to click Save repeatedly, minimizing the risk of losing your work due to unexpected shutdowns or crashes. The system updates your document in real time, allowing you to focus on your content rather than worrying about saving it. You can verify that your changes are saved by looking for the phrase "All changes saved in Drive" at the top of the document, which appears as soon as your most recent edits are stored. Now, while Google Docs automatically saves your work online, you may want to download a copy to access it offline or share it with someone who prefers a different format. To do this, head to the top menu bar of your Google Docs interface. Here, you'll find a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. Upon clicking File, a drop-down menu appears. This menu houses numerous options for file management, but right now, we're interested in the Download section. So, move your mouse over Download. Hovering over this reveals a submenu with several file format options you can choose from. Here comes the part where you decide how you want your files saved. You can select from a range of formats, including Microsoft Word, .docx, if you need to edit the document in the Word application, or PDF if you want a read-only version that maintains your document's layout and formatting. Other available options include Open Document Format, Rich Text Format, Plain Text, Web Page, and even EPUB Publication Format for e-readers. Once you click on your preferred format, the file will be immediately downloaded to your computer, neatly tucked into your designated Downloads folder. This approach affords a seamless way to ensure offline accessibility or meet any format-specific requirements you encounter. So that's it. Saving in Google Docs is not only about ensuring your document exists in the cloud, but also about having the flexibility to store it on your computer in a format that best suits your needs. Remember, as long as you're connected to the internet, your Google Docs are saving themselves. But when you need that extra offline copy or specific format, just follow these simple steps. Thank you for watching, and happy writing in Google Docs.